Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Joker Chen from Xi'an, China. So Joker Chen has a number of just really delightful, cute, neat images, just really cool environments, and a few sci-fi works as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these. So we've just got this really nice tropical little sun shop right here. So selling things, I guess, sunglasses, suntan lotion, surfboards. I just really like these kinds of nice, cozy, wholesome places. Just lots of verticality, lots of little details here. It just makes you want to visit and just walk around there and just enjoy being there for a few days. Got this nice little factory camp right here. This post-apocalyptic alternate reality little camp. Nice little mini factory. We've got this elven town right here, so I can just imagine a nice little RPG as you walk around here and get side quests and do your shopping and see what the problems the NPCs have. And just a number of these really nice, cute houses right here with little pumpkins, and just looks nice and beautiful. Actually, this looks like a house made out of a giant pumpkin, so a really cool idea here. Another little building right here, the farmhouse. Nice little cozy carpet shop here. Very nice, warm, soft lighting. Little place here called Tony's Forge. Another really cool building design. I always like buildings that aren't just rectangular and square. I always like some more cylindrical. A lot of the buildings in Star Wars, for example, in Tatooine, have more like cylinders and more round things. So I always am appreciative of buildings that are just a little bit more round and spherical, and very cool color scheme here as well. Very much just like, my eye just likes to wander around here, appreciate the details, almost like I virtually wander around here. Got this nice little station here, more modern day, maybe a little bit of sci-fi action going on here. But so I can just, it's very nice attention to detail here, because you got like a bathroom area here, you got a bench, trash cans, you can kind of signs, you can kind of walk around here. So just imagine kind of walking around here, exploring this area here, look out the window, enjoy the sunlight. So little phone booth here, so you can kind of drive in here, leave somebody there, pick somebody up, and be on your way. And you got this kind of overgrown tank. I always like to see weapons of war abandoned, overgrown, and repurposed into little shelters and things like that. All right, we've got a couple of sci-fi works as well. This nice looking rover, and we've got this really cool sci-fi tank as well. So really extreme contrast here between fantasy environments and then just hard surface tanks. So here's another cool cozy fantasy scene. You've got juice kind of sculpted into the rock here, fruit, rhinoceros fruit salesman. You got this animal post office. Always like to see those over-the-top signs you see on some buildings. Some car shops are like a car mounted in front of the shop. So really nice, epic, dramatic rocks and clouds. I really like this border. I like how the clouds kind of escape the border. So very nice design, presentation as well. Here you got a shark man going fishing, maybe a butcher shop. Got this place called Moulin Rouge. Got this nice winter scene. I just love the gradient on the walls and then the rocks at the bottom here. Just looks incredibly well designed, and a cozy place to live, a cozy place to visit. Got this little shop right here. Very nice shapes here. I like the slanted roof. I like this extra information about what's going on here, how everything is stored. Another really cool, like desert African looking building design. You got this nice little oasis place. Alright guys, that is Joker Chen. Lots of cute little images to discover. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.